Well, hello my dears, we are back again. We are continuing the on the farm seasonal tours, and today we'll be looking at what our place looks like during the summertime. So this is part of a series, as I mentioned. We have winter on the farm, spring on the farm, and this is summer on the farm. So the biggest thing at our place that changes really is the color of our fields. So I like to call them golden fields, but technically they've just died. So we have dead grass everywhere. And we have some key areas that we water. We worked really hard at it, like watering 3 times a day, but it still really struggles. I think we have a topsoil issue. Our land is on top of an ancient riverbed, and I just think it's really rocky. So that's kind of a bummer. But the saving grace during summertime is our garden. So it's big and it's beautiful, and it's just like focal point when you drive in. And I want to show you a little bit of what's going on here this year. So I planted about 2,000 carrot seeds. So you guessed it, we have a bumper crop of carrots. They are so good. When people joke that if I give them a garden tour, they get a complimentary carrot, because it's just fun to snack on while you're walking around talking, and they're so sweet. I love, love, love homegrown carrots. My biggest fail this year was my 3 sisters' idea. So I planted the squash and the beans and the corn, and they're supposed to grow together. Well, the beans just choked out the corn and became this big tangled mass of vines. So for me to pick beans, I have to actually dig into the vines and pick my beans that way. So live and learn on that one. And then I really overplanted my zucchini, and I know better. I know that you should just plant 1 zucchini seed for a family of our size, but it's weird. It's weird planting just 1 seed for something. So I put 6 in. And of course I have so much zucchini. I'm giving it away as fast as I can. I'm giving it to the food bank. We got a lot of zucchini. The orchard looks amazing. I am proud to say it's getting better every year. We had to actually prop up the branches, stake them, because there was so much fruit. Very beautiful. Our plum tree looks really good this year. And we got pears really for the first time. They're really small, but they taste so good. And that's really my favorite thing about gardening, is how delicious everything is. It's like natural candy. So the carrots and the kale and the pears and the beets, they're phenomenal. I love snacking out of the garden. So it is blackberry season, and they're so beautiful. We have a whole wall of blackberries along our creek bed, and so it's fun to go pick those and make a cobbler. I have a cobbler recipe that has basil and honey, and then I think there's like the crumble top. That's about it. It's so simple and farmy and yummy. Love to make that in the summer. So then if we head over to the house, you maybe have been following along, and we've made several improvements to the outside. So we did this self-watering window box. We updated the kitchen porch. I just recently painted the cabinet on the front porch, so you can watch those videos if you would like. And we cannot do a tour without visiting the bunnies. My girls sell lop-ear rabbits, and we almost always have a batch of babies that are just darling. I never get tired of seeing the little sweet babies.